Hi, I'm April with WTI.
This magnetic phone case mounts to my car, allows wireless charging, and has plenty of places to keep all of my things in a nice little wallet. This case by MInCYB is a perfect fit for me. The quality is great and it looks stylish too. This main case is very sturdy and I find that it protects my phone very well. I loved that it has raised edges around the sides and on the back, not to only help protect my screen, but my camera as well, and the cutout buttons are great. But most of all, I appreciate the luxury of being able to carry it in several different ways. I can have it long, like a crossbody purse, or adjust it to be shorter. These beautiful straps have fully rotating clasps that allow them to move freely in any direction, providing me with ease of movement. And if I want a more simpler, stylish look, I enjoy using the wristlet strap. This phone case gives me the freedom without having to carry a purse without compromising on style.
And that's my point of view.